It's literally been raining like every single day. It's crazy, and I haven't made videos because it's raining every single day. This is a 2020 Toyota Tacoma. This one I got to take pictures of and send to a woman online. The worst part about it raining every day is I didn't get a chance to make the video between the Corvette and the Jaguar, and I really wanted to make that one. It would have been an awesome comparison between those two cars. The reason I didn't do it, Saturday was like a cloudy, overcast, rainy day. Monday, same thing, and then Monday night it sold. So the Jaguar is no longer here. You know, my fault for waiting for a nice sunny day, figuring it would show off the cars a lot better and it would have been cooler. But yeah, the Jaguar's gone, so I can't do that. When I'm taking photos of a truck or a car to send to a client, I try to make sure I capture every angle. I try to make sure I capture like some nice shots of the interior, some wide angles that really give people a chance to see the whole vehicle and the whole interior, especially in today's day and age where everybody does everything on a cell phone, because you can just kind of zoom into different parts of the photo and get a good feel for everything about the vehicle. Now, what I try to do is make it as neat as possible. For instance, I can't stand when you take pictures of a car on an angle like this and you see those floor mats in the bottom of the floor. It takes like 5 seconds to pull those out, put them in the back seat until you take the photo and put them back. Little details like that matter. They matter to me. I think they should matter to everybody. Another thing I always do is I always turn the vehicle off. This way you don't have the exhaust like blowing out of the tailpipe, especially on a cold day like today. You know, again, maybe it's something very small, but it's something that I, try to focus on. The little details. These Toyota Tacomas are pretty nice. You know, they look cool. They have all the features that you could really want in a vehicle. This one has leather, it has the sunroof, it's got heated seats. I do not see that it has a heated steering wheel, although I don't know where the button would be if it did have it. I don't see it though. But anyway, it has everything. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, it's got nav. What it doesn't have, to me, is comfort. Like, to me, the Colorado is much more comfortable than this vehicle in the seat. Now, I'm saying that as a tall guy, but if you look, I mean, there's virtually like no leg support on this seat, and I'm leaning it back to kind of bring the front of the seat up, and that's pretty much all you get. I don't know if it's the seat only or if the floors are higher up, but I just feel like, between the wheel being right now as high as it can go and the seat as comfortable as I can kind of get it, it's not really a comfortable seating position. I always felt that way about the Tacoma, as we've had them here on trade. But, to each their own. It's definitely a truck that will stand the test of time, reliability wise. So if somebody comes in and they like it, by all means, it's definitely a nice, reliable truck. Hopefully this customer I'm sending the pictures to likes it enough in the photos to take the ride down and check it out. The client that's interested in this Toyota Tacoma is from a little over an hour and a half away, actually hour and 46 minutes. I just sold the Jeep to a gentleman who was 2 hours away, and I sold the Traverse to a client in Connecticut that was another like hour and a half, 2 hours away. It's the beauty of the internet. You can literally find whatever you want. What's up, Sal? What's up? I got those pictures sent out on the Tacoma. Okay. So we will see what she says. We don't have a phone number. You know, she's from upstate New York, pretty far away. Yeah. Like an hour and 40 minutes. John Carlo told me my Suburban should be in today.
Should be in today.
Did you hear about that? Yeah. I got a Suburban RST. It's the one I sold like, I don't know, a week ago that's inbound. That should be here today. And if it is, well, I'm keeping my eye out. If it is, I'm gonna get some nice footage of that. It'll be the first time that I see it in person, and I'll be able to share it with you. All right, there she is. Suburban RST. Nice looking 21-inch wheels. No chrome, all black trim. It's a beaut. What I'm gonna do is once it's down, I'll do a quick walk around and show you guys that truck. I'm just realizing now this black Z71, if this is RS2, which it probably is, I have somebody I have to call. They were just here the other day looking for this truck. I just sent my customer a couple of photos of his Suburban on the truck. Come on, Dave, you gotta keep laughing at me. You're making me laugh. The troubles of trying to film in public. Take 3. This should probably be higher. Oh yeah, look at that. I just sent my customer some pictures of his Suburban while it was still on the truck. He's all excited. They'll probably pick it up by Monday. That RST is absolutely beautiful. What makes the RST look so good, in my opinion, is all the blacked out trim. Like, so the front end is all blacked out. You have a nice set of 22-inch wheels, machine faced with silver. Emblems are black. Around the window trim, that's all black. So it gives you a real nice look. Even on the back here, the Suburban emblem with the little accent molding in the back here is black. You get your nice RST badge. And on the inside, it has a black interior, but it has the red, Victory Red accent stitching, you know, on the seats, on the steering wheel, and on the dashboard. This just got here. We have to stock it in. It has to go through the shop to get a pre-delivery inspection. I'm hoping I can get all that stuff done as soon as possible. So like I said, hopefully my client will be able to pick it up on Monday. Before that happens, I'm hoping I can do a quick comparison video between this and a signature package to kind of point out the differences, because the trucks are pretty much the same. It just comes down to like really the look between the two of them. And this white signature package model just showed up this past Wednesday. So I have this, I can do a real good side-by-side comparison. Actually, both of these trucks, this one and the RST, have the rear media. Our GM trainer was here the other day. He taught us about these rear media players. So I'm gonna try to get the proper cords for like my phone, my iPad, stuff like that, and put a separate video together just on how those work alone. Really cool feature in these vehicles. You know, all state-of-the-art as far as you know, multimedia and being able to mirror cast stuff to them. It's like being in an airplane. For now, I got to get back to work. I got to run inside, call my customer that's interested in that Colorado, see if he wants to come down either today or tomorrow. If you guys are out there tomorrow on Halloween, have a happy, safe Halloween. And listen, if you're not subscribed to the channel and you watch the videos, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button.